Make a great choice today with the 2011 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, cruise control, climate control, premium sound system, heated outside mirrors, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.